What's up, guys? Welcome back to another week. Today we're actually gonna be doing another stir down, because I like my stir downs. We're gonna do the Vieux Carré. All right, so let's just get into it. So first thing we're gonna need is 22 ml of rye, 22 ml of cognac, 22 ml of sweet vermouth, 10 ml DOM Benedictine, 2 dashes of Peychauds bitters, and 1 dash of Angostura. We're gonna give that a good stir. We're gonna pull out a rocks glass with a rock in it, garnish it off with a lemon peel. And that is it, guys. Quite a bit of ingredients on this one. This is a classic though. It was actually created back in the 1930s by Walter Bergeron at the Carousel Bar in New Orleans. At the time, the bar was called the Swan Bar though, so I think it's just called Carousel Bar now. The Vieux Carré was actually developed as a tribute to the city's diverse cultural influences. All right, so we have the big French influences down in New Orleans, and for that we're using Benedictine, which is an herbal liqueur from France, and then we have our cognac, which is obviously from France, the Cognac region of France actually. Benedictine is one that's actually used quite a bit in quite a few different cocktails. It's a good one to have on the bar. It's only used in little doses usually, so it's one of those bottles that when you buy, you're gonna probably have it for a little while. Benedictine, you're gonna get some like spices, herbs, honey, those sort of notes, okay? As far as the cocktail goes though, guys, you know I like my stir downs. I like them strong, I like them bitter. The rye cognac base on this one is friggin' delicious. Oh yeah, we're getting those like some darker fruity notes, like obviously that cognac is coming through there. That rye, the rye that I used, Okanagan Spirits, I use it quite a bit here. The rye cognac base, delicious. It's the same way that I would make my Sazeracs. There's multiple ways to make a Sazerac, but I'll get into that in a different video. I like the good rye cognac base, the DOM Benedictine in there. You get those nice herbal notes, a little bit of like warming spices that come in with it. One thing I do really like about this cocktail though is like it's equal parts with bitters and Benedictine, right? So the first 3 ingredients, the rye, the cognac, and the sweet vermouth, all equal parts. The 3/4 of an ounce or 22 mils. Classic specs call for 2 teaspoons of DOM Benedictine. 1 teaspoon is about 4.93 milliliters, so I'm just gonna go with 10 mils. It's the same thing, like just, you know, 10 mil of Benedictine, and then your Peychauds and your Angostura. You're gonna get a nice, strong, bitter, slightly fruity, little bit warm and spicy kind of a drink, okay? Yep, delicious. That is all that I have for you today, guys. Please let me know what you think in the comments. If you have specific cocktails you think I should do on this channel, let me know. But until next time, guys, keep stirring. Cheers.